So today I'll be showing you how to reset the BIOS of your MSI motherboard. Now, if you're having problems with your PC, the usual problem is that you're turning on your PC, it's turning on, but there's no signal on the monitor. Now that could need a BIOS reset. And to do that, you kind of have to either reset via the software, and if the monitor is not responding, you have to reset it manually. And to reset it manually, you do need to remove the CMOS battery. So open up the case of your PC, and depending on your exact motherboard model, you might need to remove the GPU to be able to access the CMOS battery, depending on where the CMOS battery is placed on your motherboard. Now, for me, I had to remove the GPU. For some people, the CMOS battery could be slightly lower on the motherboard, and you don't need to remove the GPU. Anyway, once you get to the CMOS battery, this is what it looks like. And you need to simply push this latch away from the battery to pop out the battery. Now, sometimes there could be a little plastic in here to in between this little space right here. There could be a little piece of plastic which you might need to pull out with a pair of tweezers. Now, once you pull it out, then you can now be able to just push this latch to the side like this, and the battery pops out just like that. Right now, once the battery pops out, you need to give it about 5 to 10 minutes before you put it back. Sometimes you might need even to put a screwdriver between the negative. So this is negative and positive. Just join them with your screwdriver like this for about 5 seconds to kind of short that and remove any kind of charge deposits that could be causing problems with your PC. And then after some time, you can now put the battery back. So to put back the battery, just place it like that and then push, and then that's going to push the latch, and now you should be good to go. Now remember to do all this with your PC completely switched off and unplugged from the power socket, right? So you don't want any problems, so make sure you completely unplug it. And that's basically how to reset the BIOS by removing the CMOS battery. Now you can put in your GPU back and try and connect it and see if that worked. Thanks for watching, and good luck.